what else?
I said bobcat.
Bobcat. Okay. Anything else? Coyotes. Okay, cool. So we got 3 different answers. In the canid realm, who would this lean more towards and why? Domestic dog or coyote? Okay, and how come? Just
no hair, not tapered.
substance. Okay, yeah. So, and as we see with domestic dogs, because of what they're eating, they get more of that segmented cat-like appearances. Could this be a bobcat scat? I mean, in appearance, could this be a bobcat scat?
Sure.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. There's a lot of misshapenness to its form. You rarely see a small end to a large chunk of a bobcat scat. Usually they're very uniform, segmented chunks. The other thing about bobcats is, and even, you know, a coyote could do something like this, but even still, your coyotes and bobcats tend to be much more particular about their placement as marking behavior. This would be a very strange place for a bobcat. Okay. And so this is definitely falling into our canid family. We're not really concerned about who in this case. But again, just because of all those features, this is much more likely a domestic dog than it is a coyote.
Can I say something?
Sure.
There's hair in it.
There's hair in it.
Okay.
I thought there was corn in it. There was
I was going to say dog. Until
I was
saw
going to say
that.
dog, but there's fur.
Okay, so that's really great. We'll just be crude about it. Do dogs lick their balls and ass? Absolutely. Do they lick their coat? So can domestic animals have and commonly have hair in their scats? Yes, all the time. What we're looking for here in that case is if we're actually, this is kind of gross, you guys, sorry, but if we're actually looking at contents here, you can see the color is that really green. It's soft.
Yeah.
And so when you look at this, you're like, okay, was this thing killing other animals and consuming their entire bodies? That's what we're looking for when we're looking at hairs. And so when we look at this, that does not have that, unless this were large canines and they were doing like wolves when they first take things down, and you get a lot of those more meat scats, the viscera, the organs. Then you get, but then it's sort of splattery, kind of gross stuff. So, yeah, dog scat. Doesn't really matter. These are just to get the
10-point
world
question, right?
10-point question. Yep. So, good.